Groundhog and Mini Groundhog stakes are the most popular designs MSR offers. The Groundhog's sturdy Y-beam design provides solid anchoring in almost any soil environment. Durable 7000 series anodized aluminum resists bending and stands up to repeated use. Each stake comes with an attached pull loop for convenient removal, and the bright color makes them easy to find. At just 16 grams apiece, the Groundhog stake is light enough for use in the backcountry. If you need a lighter stake, the Mini Groundhog weighs just 10 grams and offers similar performance. Both stakes are standard equipment on new MSR tents and shelters. At less than 6 grams apiece, the Carbon Core is the lightest full-strength tent stake available. MSR engineers developed the Carbon Core stake to be lighter than aluminum and more durable than carbon fiber. They achieved this by wrapping a carbon fiber tube in aluminum. The durable aluminum skin and solid tip protect the Carbon Core, while the carbon fiber provides rigidity and strength for placements in firm soil. The result is a stake that weighs just 6 grams, less than 6 standard paper clips, but is strong enough to hold any tent. Tents are often used in environments that require additional holding power. The MSR Cyclone stake is designed to anchor large tents in loose or sandy soil, or in especially windy environments. The Cyclone's spiral design and 10-inch length provide maximum holding power. Like most MSR stakes, the Cyclone is made of 7000 series aluminum and comes with a pull loop for easy removal.